All right, this is for my YouTube friends out there. I've been missing in action, I guess. I'm over here where I'm at right now. It's Oakland Hills, and we're in a house that was burnt down. Well, it was rebuilt after it burnt down in the '91 Oakland fires. Right there you can see the Golden Gate Bridge. Let me step out here. There's the Golden Gate Bridge is way over there, somewhere over here. Where is it? Oh, wait a minute. No, that's the other side. So it's over here. There we go. And then the Bay Bridge is right there. And anyway, so this is where we're at right now. Our house didn't burn down. However, we're evacuated. The fire's still 1,000 feet from our house. It missed it at the first run. Now it's running back toward it, maybe. I don't know. They've had plenty of time to do fire lines and stuff. We contacted our insurance company. We thought we had good insurance. We had farmers, and we had, replacement costs. And they said, "Oh, too bad. Oh, we're sorry. You can't use your house, but it didn't burn down. So we'll give you for 2 weeks. We'll give you take your normal expenses, and then if you spend over that, we'll pay you extra. Like if our normal expenses are $100 and we spend $300, they'll give us $200 a week, and then they would put us up in a hotel or something like that for 2 weeks." And of course, we have friends, and we should pay them something. But he said, "Nah, come up and stay with us." So we're here, and we can't get to our house. Looters can, and but we can't, and they're not letting us know. They're not organizing any kind of help to prevent looting. They are, but they're not letting us know what it is. So we the old expression, "It's good enough for government work." Are they really? They're not doing it like I would. In other words, so they're doing the best they can, I'm sure. Okay. And anyways, problem is our house didn't burn down, and so we're in limbo. And so we have a community service district, and they operate the water system. It's privately owned. They're going to lose 90% of their customers. I was looking at the Paradise Fire, 10,000 homes destroyed, 1,200 permits issued 3 years later. So 90% of people that lost their house never came back. And so will the CSD, Community Service District, are they solvent? I don't know. We don't know that. So we only get 4 weeks, 4 weeks total cost of living. And so we're not, so regardless if we don't have a house that we can move into, we have to pay for our mortgage and live in a tent somewhere else or something. I don't know. We tried to get an RV because I have work up there. I do excavation work, and I make roughly $1,000 a day, and so I don't have a place to stay up there to work. There's 30,000 people that are renting places, and so anyways, being a evacuee, a refugee in the United States, it's a way more comfortable than in the rest of the world from what I can see. But and I feel that just complaining about our situation is really hypocrisy compared to the rest of the world. But still, we're used to that lifestyle or whatever that we have, and it's crumbled. Although, don't feel sorry for me. We have a king size bed. We have a master bedroom here, and our friend Dr. John has been gracious enough to let us stay here, as well as many other family members. But we didn't want to really be they have lots of traffic at the other family places, and Dr. John is COVID. He's a doctor, and so and he's still working. He's a pathologist, so um, he's not with a bunch of clients or patients or whatever. So and just my wife is very she gets upset because we don't know what the future brings, and we lost our house was up for sale because we wanted to move a mile and a half away onto a 31-acre ranch that it was just 31 acres. It had some old buildings on it, barn and a cabin and a trailer that we were going to fix up like a Lucille Ball 40-foot trailer, and we were going to build our house there, and it was just beautiful, and it totally got burnt up, and so that's I don't know, there's a loss there. It'll grow back, I guess. And we didn't have the structures insured because they were old structures. We didn't feel a need, but we did have it on our homeowner's insurance, added it to that, and I had personal property that I put out there and building materials for when we were going to build the house and the barn. They were all there, and they're toast. They're gone. My snowblower, that I used to, I have like 1,000-foot driveway there, and so that was a $10,000 snowblower. It probably melted. I don't know. Tractor, a big D2 tractor. I think it only had a couple thousand hours on it. It's an older one, but it's just melted. Roxy's missing her toys. Yes, she is. Say hi, Roxy. Say hello. Hey, everybody. Hi. Yeah, you do. She's a good girl. Yeah. She's sad. Yeah, she's sad too. She's rose, poor thing. Anyways, YouTube, I get a little bit of money each month from YouTube. Not much, very little. I'm embarrassed to say, but it was $1,000 a month for a while. And we'll make it. Anyway, we're safe. Have a good one.